boys and girls, Mrs. Tento. It's Wednesday, January the 6th, and I'm here with your handwriting lesson. It's page 31 through 32. It's got a little set of mice cutting some things, and it's got a teacup on it with some tea. And on this page, when you do your letter C, remember you start at the top dot, and you go around this way, down to the bottom, and curve up. You start the same way, only below the blue dotted line for the lowercase c. You start at the top at the dot, and you turn around. You go to the dotted line, come down and around, and stop. And it's not that hard to do that, but you do have to trace. If you notice, I traced on my page the tracer letters first. I didn't put my name on. I hope you put your name on first. I forgot to remind you, always put your name on. And then at the next line, it has the blend that says CA, C-A, C-A, and then we have CU, CU, that says K. And over here in the last space, I put a CA and a CU. Everybody see that? Okay. At the bottom, it says can. So I traced can, and I wrote can. Then I traced cut, and I wrote cut. Then I wrote can and cut. Does that help you to know what I am expecting? You can always have mom or dad freeze this on your paper so that you can look at it to see just how we space things and just how many letters. Do you see any scribbles on my page or a whole lot of squished letters? No, it's just neatly done this way. And again, if we go to the back side now, we see, again, we have typeset letters that are what you see when we read a book. And that T is a funny look to it with that little hook on it, but it's a T. And which one does it go with across the bottom? This is the way we write. The way we write is a little different than the way typeset is. And so you're going to draw a line from the T to the T, and E to the other one, and C to the other one, S to the other one. I'm not going to give you all the answers on that. Then you are starting over here, tracing C, writing C, C, then tracing S. Then I want you to do 1, 2, 3 S's. Then on the next line, let's see what you're writing. T. Pretty easy. T and T and T. And then E. Remember, E starts like C. And then from the midpoint here, we draw out that way. We write out that way. And then again, start at the dot, go round to trace it, and then come across and E, E. Now, remember, if you are right-handed, you are going to tilt your paper this way. If you are left-handed, you're going to tilt your paper that way. So you're going to have one point or the other pointing towards your tummy a little bit as it's on the table. The next one, we have a word. It says set. So we're tracing the word set. Then, as you look on here, we're starting with the S at the dot and writing the S. Then the E, again, starting where that dot would have been. You can always look back to your letter E's to see where that starts. And starting at the top, going down for the T. And again, writing set here and set here. Now, never, ever, ever do we start at the bottom and go up. We always, always, always start at the top for the very best handwriting. And it's pretty straightforward on this page. Boys and girls, we've learned these letters before, so you should do your very best. And I expect great handwriting over this time at home since you have a little more time to play with there. And that is the end of your handwriting for the day. We'll see you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.